per guide. This is called type of list in HTML. Okay, type of list.
Chandru.
Type of list in HTML. So we have first type of list, how that look and what is that. Let's see here. I will show you. MS Office you have already. You have seen the MS Word. Okay, so in this, suppose I have written some line here. Written some line here. Suppose you have some content. This type of content you have. Okay. Now this content you want to arrange in bullets and numbering. So after selecting this, I will go to the here bullets and I will select this one. So you can see everywhere tick mark came. Again, I'll go to some other option, like maybe this arrow mark. Everywhere arrow mark came. I'll go to this dots. Dots came everywhere. Right. So this is called bullets. Now if I'll go here and if I select this, everywhere you can see bullets, different kind of symbol got apply. So this is called bullets. Bullets. Now let me come back below, write something else. Okay, so here we apply the bullets. From here, maybe this is square symbol I given, so become a bullets. Now here I'll keep a numbering. I'll select this, and after selecting, I'll go here. We have option 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3, ABCD, a small ABCD, Roman 1, 2, 3, simple ABCD, a small, you can say Roman 1, 2, 3. So this called as a numbering. Okay, this called as a numbering. So suppose if I select here this one, maybe ABCD capital. So what happened here? ABCD got applied. This becomes a order, and this is unordered. There is no any kind of number 1, 2, 3 ABCD or any. So similar feature in HTML, like this is the Word file. So if you are creating a Word file, you can design the content using bullets and numbering. Now, in case if you are creating a HTML file, inside the HTML file, you want to design your content properly. Should be having some bullets, should have some number ABCD 1, 2, 3. So how to do that? Okay. So that's what we are going to learn here. This is called type of list in HTML. So in MS Word, what we have? We have bullets and another one we have called numbering. Bullets and numbering. Similar way in HTML, we have one is called order list. Order list. Okay. The shortcut is called OL. OL. The first one. OL. Second one we have. Second one we have. That is called UL. UL. It's called unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list. Ordered list and unordered list. We have the third one, that is called, third one is called DL, definition list. Definition list. Order list, unordered list, and then definition list. So three type of list we have. We are going to create example and we will be understanding what is the different type of order list, what are the different type of unordered list, and what is the definition list. Okay, so first make a note, then we'll come to the examples. Okay, so hope notes is ready. Now we will create one file called orderlist.html. Okay, we'll be creating a file called orderlist.html. Go to the file and create the new file. New file. Give the file name order list. Orderlist.html. Orderlist.html. In which folder? The same, your HTML example folder here. See, I created order list, that is showing here, order list.html. So order list file is ready. Now in order list file, start from HTML. Start from HTML. Head I'll skip now. I'll start with the body. Head tag will write from the CSS onwards. Once we start writing the CSS, then we will follow the head tag. Okay, once we start following the CSS, we will be using the head tag. But as of now, only body will write HTML body, and inside will keep following the tags. Now inside the body tag, write one H1 heading OL order list in HTML. Order list in HTML. Let's go there. Right here, OL, open and close. OL, not 01, it's OL, O and L. Order list, open and close. Inside order list, OL tag, open and close. Now inside the order list, you will specify a type. What type of order list you are going to create? So you will write here called type. Type is the property. Type is the property, predefined property. In that, we will pass the value as a 1. 1. So what will happen? You will get the list 1 to 3. As in MS Word I have shown you, there is a multiple type of order list. Here, multiple type of order list was there. 1, 2, 3, ABCD, everything was there, right? The similar way here inside our page, if you write type equal to 1, then it is going to generate the order as a 1, 2, 3. Inside now, you will write the LI. LI called as a list item. I'll write here, list item, full form. Keep down below another LI. Keep there mango. Okay, keep down another LI. LI. Okay, it's not one I, it's LI, list item. Okay, next LI. Milk. Add one more LI. Okay, so these all are the list item we added in a order list. Okay, so hope we have written. Now after that, you will go to the view file again, view menu, and from view menu, you will run it. From the view menu, we can run it directly. It will give like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 order list, and then below order list becomes a heading, and below we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it has come? Because you have given type as a one. If you give type equal to A B C D will come. If you give type equal to Roman 1, 2, 3, then Roman 1, 2, 3 will come. I 1, 2, 3 will come in Roman. Okay, so write it and please confirm once. Is that your page is working? If it's running in the browser, you can confirm yes, no. Then we can write the next type of order list. Yeah, for 5, 6 people are replied. Working. So very good. If reply comes, that meaning we get to know, okay, you are following plus you are on the track. Okay. Okay. Now let me go ahead next and follow the next thing that is called next type of order list. So that is here. We will follow one HR tag. HR tag. So that look will come little better. HR tag. In HR tag, we will be writing color equal to some orange color and size equal to 10. What is the mean of that? It is the independent tag. HR is the independent tag. Inside that, you are writing saying like, a line should come. HR is going to create a horizontal line. A line should come. That line should be in orange color and the thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. A line will get drawn on the screen from beginning to last. That line color will be orange color and the size of the line will be 10 pixel. Now let me run and show you how that look. It look like this. This becomes a order list and this becomes a horizontal line. Now come down. Next after that, we will follow another order list. OL, another order list. Inside that, we will be writing type equal to 1. Not 1. We have given already 1. We will be writing here A. A. So it is going to generate the order as 1, 2, 3. ABCD, capital ABCD. it is going to generate the order as a capital ABCD. Now inside that, let's follow the li and give call dashboard. Dashboard. Next li call view profile. View profile. Next li call edit profile. Next li. Next li call education. Can keep my education. Next li can keep call my experience. My experience. Next li my project. Now after that, if you save and run the file, you will see the order will come as a capital ABCD. Okay, we check now. Okay, let's check now how it comes. It will come like this ABCD, and the content will come and order list be as ABCD. That also capital ABCD. After that, write one HR color as a blue color and size equal to again some keep as a 12. Little more size. It should come little bigger line than the first one. First one is 10px, second one will be 12px. Okay, now in that you can see order list is open and close. OL is open and close. LI is also open and close. So OL and LI both are dependent tag. OL and LI, order list and list item, both are dependent tag because both are open and close. Next one we have called HR. HR is independent tag. Why? Because it has only open. There is no separate closing for that. Right? So hope it is clear. OL and LI both are dependent tag. Both has open close. Okay. HR has only open, so it's called as a independent tag. Okay. Next, after that, you are running the page. When you run the page, what you found is when we run the page here, we found like li is also printing in the next line, and definitely OL is printing in the next line. Right? All are not coming in the same line. All are going to the next line. So you can say order list is also dependent tag. List item is also dependent tag, and all are block level. All are block level tag. Why? Because all are printing in the next line. Even your HR is also printing in the next line. Order list is printing in the next line. HR is printing in the next line. Li is printing the next line. So overall in this page, whichever you have written, all are as a block level tag. It is printing in the next line. And all are dependent. Why? Because all are open and closed. HR is only independent. HR is the independent because there is no separate closing part. Okay. So hope this is running. Now let me go ahead next. Next order list we have that is called type equal to a small a. So let me go here, open the OLLI. Inside the OL, we can write here type equal to a small a. Type equal to a small a. In this small a, you will be writing again li, give here call some city name, Bangalore. Next li, Mangalore. Next li, Mumbai. Next li, Chennai. Next li, Pune. And next li called Delhi. Okay. Now after that, if you run the page, you will find the content looks similar, but the type is different. It is not now capital ABCD, so it becomes a small ABCD. It is a small ABCD. Okay, now let me run it. Show you how that look. That look like this. ABCD is coming, but a small. Order list has come, but a small order list. Okay. Now let's go next. I'll write here another HR. Color equal to pink color and size equal to 15. Size equal to 15. Start from OL and write inside type equal to a small I. So it will give you Roman 1, 2, 3. Okay, a small I is going to give you Roman 1, 2, 3. Now inside that, right here, some company name. Okay, after that, next li. Infosys Technology. Next li. Next li. Campus. Logics. DLTD. Next li. Next li, some name will here. Okay, 4 names. Now if you run this file, you will get to know the LIs are coming, but it is 1, 2, 3. That also Roman 1, 2, 3 in a small letter. Roman 1, 2, 3 will come in a small letter. Okay, let me run it. See how that look. It's here. It's coming with order 1, 2, 3. Roman 1, 2, 3. That also in lowercase. Let's go here. Write the next HR. Should be color equal to red color and size equal to somewhere 18. Come down below. Write the next order list. So their type will be capital I. So it will give 1 to 3 itself in Roman, but it will come in uppercase. Okay, it will come in uppercase. Okay, it will come in uppercase. Now let's go here, add the li, right inside some other things like Java training. Next li, UI training. Next li, database training. Next li, Angular training. Next li, you can write React training. Let's save the file. You will get like this. Now at last, I will keep on BR, not BR first HR itself, color equal to black color and size equal to 20, and after that 1 or 2 BR. So that little line break will happen in the bottom, and you will find there is a space. Line break will happen, and you will find there is a space.
Sir, what is the meaning of HR?
It is bringing on line, horizontal line from beginning to last. This all line is blue here. This red, green, blue line. Those are coming from the HR only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so hope everyone have done. Now, last we'll have one black line. Some space will come after that. That space is coming after black line because of this BR. 3 times BR I have written. So after black line, you will have some space. Line break will happen simple. Okay. Next we are so total how many type of order list you found? Type is a capital I, type is a small I, type is a small, type is a capital, type is a digit one. Correct. So these all are the type we have under the order list. We will make a note of this type under the page, developer guide page, and after that we can go for the unordered list. Title you can write here H1, write H1, H2, H3. Here suppose if you want to write here, that suppose here you want to give, or here you want to give, wherever you want to give, write here for H2, H3, right inside. This is type equal to 1. This becomes a title. This will appear where? Before this block. Now I'll show you. This will appear where? Before the this oil. Look at here. Is coming. Type equal to 1. Same way, you can add here H3. Type equal to, or you can write this is type equal to capital A. This way you can add the heading everywhere. Okay, add and check. Heading is coming. Okay, so hope you added, and your page look like this. Type equal to 1, type equal to A. Here also add type equal to a small a. Here add type equal to I. Here add type equal to I. So this way H3 can add all the places. Okay, then come to the developer guide again. In developer guide page, we can add in developer guide page, we can add this all the types which we have written in order list. What are the type you have? We have called type equal to 1. The small is the right. We have type equal to 1. Second we have type equal to capital A. Then you have type equal to small a. Then you have type equal to next I, small I. Next type equal to capital I. 1, 2, 3. Capital ABCD, small ABCD, capital Roman 1, 2, 3, small Roman 1, 2, 3. Now come to the unordered list. What are the unordered list type we have? We have under the unordered list we have type equal to disk. Next type we have square. Next we have type equal to circle. Disk, square, circle. Let's make a note for unordered list. Then we'll create one example and we'll implement all. So hope you are making the note of unordered list. Okay, now let's create a file unorderedlist.html. 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 Create the next file unorderedlist.html. Unorderedlist.html. In this file, we will be implementing type of unordered list. So let's just start from HTML and go to the body. Inside the body, write one h1 will unordered list in HTML. Okay, so done. Unordered list, open close. You have to do here, open a UL tag, close it. UL is saying like unordered list. Unordered list. Here you can write one as he has asked how to add the heading. So keep here H3, under H3, keep a H3 here. Under the H3 you add type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Now for UL you write here type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Open the LI, close the LI, write inside again, call some item name, Apple, Apple, mango, next will be banana, next LI, grapes, etc. So this becomes a type equal to disk. So it will give a dot 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 symbol. Okay, it will give dot 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 symbol. It will give dot 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 symbol. Now let's come down. After that, keep on HR again. Color equal to orange color. Size equal to color is orange. Size equal to 10. Just check this file, how that look. This is going to look like this. This way. Type is disk. Is coming like dot dot dot. Come down below. Write next UL. Type equal to square. Keep inside. Next LI. Next LI. Next one more LI. Next one more LI. This is going to come in a square. A square symbol will come in front of all the LI. In front of all the LI, a square symbol will appear. Okay, now let me run it, see how that look. This call is a square symbol. These all are the default feature of HTML. In that you have not added any CSS, no anything else. With the help of CSS, we can change the 100 types of icons. Like how a square is coming, so that a square can be changed to anything, whichever we want, hand symbol, less than, greater than, dot, or anything. Okay, now let's write another HR. Color equal to blue color, size equal to 10. Color is blue, size equal to 10. After that, we can add the next UL. That UL, we will have a type called circle, circle type. Okay, circle type. Now we will go inside and again we'll follow the different type of items. Software services, next LI, marketing solutions, next LI, business, investment, next LI, employment, and next LI, digital marketing, digital marketing. Okay, so hope we have written. Now after that, please run the file. Okay, it should appear like this. The first type is disk, that look like this. Second type is a square, look like this. Third type is circle, that look like this. So I will go here and we'll keep the heading for everywhere. Here also we'll give one H3 and we'll write inside type equal to a square. Here also you keep H3, type equal to circle. First one is disk, second one is square, and third is called circle. Disk, square, circle. disk, square, circle. Okay, so hope you added. And look like similar or different? Page is running. Yes, no reply should come. So this is the output of your disk, square, and then circle. You can reply yes or no. Running, not running. Okay, wait for some time. We'll call you nearly 10 o'clock. Vignesh. Vignesh. Okay, we'll call you 10 o'clock. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have classes are going. We'll call you 10 o'clock. Mm. Okay, working. Okay, very good. Okay, so next we can create the next file. There we can see the DL, definition list. What is the DL? Okay, so let's go ahead. In your developer guide, make a note first. In developer guide, make the note that is called, first you will have called DL tag, is called as a definition list. Second, you have inside the DL, you will be following two tag. One is called DT, it's called definition title. Definition title. This for what purpose? For heading of contents, or you can say used to create create heading of contents, like title, headline. Like suppose somewhere you will see the articles or any kind of contents, any kind of news. In that there will be one headline. So headline come from the DT. That's called definition title. The content you have, for that content you are setting a title. That is called DT, definition title. Next we have called DD. Definition details. Definition details, or you can write as a detailed definition also. Right? Used to display details of contents. So this definition list will be the combination of three tags. One is called DL, the main tag, and it will have called DT, it's called definition title. Another one we have called DD, definition details. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a file called definitionlist.html. 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 We can create an X file. Definitionlist.html. I hope you are creating a new file. Definitionlist.html. Okay, in definitionlist.html, come inside, follow the body tag. Inside the body tag, you will keep on hitting DL, definition list example. Definition list example. Okay, definition list example. Let's come down, open the DL tag, close the DL tag. DL, open DL, close. Inside the DL tag, we will be following first tag called DT. 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 DT is saying like a question. Suppose someone is posting a question saying like, what is job condition in India? One person has posted a question, become the title of the definition. Okay, not title of the definition. You can say it's becoming a question. One person has posted a question. Now on that question, many people will reply. That will come under the DT, details, definition details. It says like growing now. One person replied. Another person replied, was bad since last 2 years. Another person replied, no government job. Okay. Another person replied, IT software remains same always. These all are the reply you got. This should not be LI, it should be DD. DD. DD and DT. Now write the DD all the places. One you have DT. One is the question and multiple is answer. And this answer given by multiple people. Like sometime if you open the Facebook, you will get a survey, right? You will get a question, which college you study. 3, 4 option will be there. You can select anyone, right? That meaning indirectly Facebook is asking a question from you. Similar way, in Facebook, many people will post many things, right? Suppose someone has posted something, one person has posted something, and on that post, someone replied something, right? So you can see post will come one, and on that multiple comments comes. Now after that, now you run this file and we'll get to know what is the arrangement of DL, DD and DT. Arrangement will be little different. Let me run this file. See, it look like this. This is your question. What is job condition in India? And 4 person have replied the answer. So 4 people reply is coming after some space. If you look into the Facebook also, if you comment, you will post something, people will comment. So your post will start from beginning and comment start after some space. This space we can utilize with the help of CSS. We can keep the photo here. We can put here date, time, who has posted, when they are posted. Those you can utilize at this place with the help of CSS. We can manipulate it. Check now and let me know. Is it look similar or something else? Okay, let's come down and add one more question here. Add one more question. DT, definition title. DL will be only one, but the question answer can be multiple. And one question, multiple answer. One DT, multiple DD. Okay, right inside. Which technology is good for career in software market? Okay, which technology is good for the good career? Which technology is good for career in software industry? Okay, this is also fine. Now after that, one person, unknown person, posted this question. Okay, he is thinking like, if I learn one technology, it will become suitable for my full life. Okay, now on that, let's see what is going to happen. One person replied saying like, only one technology is not sufficient for career. One person replied, diplomatic answer. One person replied saying like, learn but little complex. Another person reply, I think .NET is good. Another person replied saying like, front-end technologies is good. Okay, so you saw one question, four answer, again one more question and multiple answer. Correct. So this kind of requirement, if you have anywhere in your project, you can say blogs, comments, articles, okay, news page, okay, some kind of QA, question answer. Those all the places this definition list will fit properly, and in definition list we can use in definition list we can use you can say CSS also to make it more better look and feel, and that will help you to design a perfect, you can say according to need, the QA type of page, then you can say comment type of page, then you can say some kind of multiple choice question answer also we can keep. Question will start from the beginning, and here first answer, second answer, third answer, fourth answer, and everywhere there will be radio button, people can select anyone. Okay, those all things can be used using the definition list. Those kind of example can be used in the definition list. Okay, so we added and our page appear like this. You can see this is one set, this is another set. Between both the set we can write HR, there is no problem. HR we can go here and we can write, but inside the DL, under the DL tag there is no place of HR. We can write, it will work, but systematically, technically it will be wrong. Suppose if I write here BR, here BR, this is wrong solution. BR is not inside the DL. There is no any tag called BR inside the DL. DL has only two tags, that is called DT and DD. DT and DD. You repeat n number of time, that is okay. But in between BR, if you are writing, it's wrong. Now if you write, it will work, but that is wrong solution. So in case if you want to give the space between, you want to increase the font size, you want to design anything, then you have to take the help from CSS. Directly adding any customized CSS will not be the right. Customize HTML inside DL. Customize HTML, again what I am trying to say here, you should not add the HR, you should not add the BR, you should not add the H1, H2 inside the where DL tag. Okay, now save the file and check how that look. See, space got apply here, but BR should not be added here because under the DL, we don't have any sub tag called BR. It's working, let it work, but in future you will not write like this. We will be writing the CSS to give the space between two DL, between two DT. DT. This is one DT, this is another DT. So between both there should be some space here with the help of CSS. Okay, so three type of or list we understood. One is called order list. Second, we have called unordered list, and third, we have called definition list. Okay. Okay. Right. Now, let's go ahead And we can follow the next example. And better you can write one more example, that is called nested list. Nested list, like list inside the list. Okay, like OL you have open inside the OL. In case you want again OL, then how to do that? When we follow the MS Word, we follow like option inside option. Now similar way, what is the meaning of nested list? How to create a list inside list? Or suppose when you go to some website, when you go to some website, example, let me open this page. When I go to this page, what we can find is, we can find like this is the menus, this is the li, you can see this is the li, but when your mouse will go somewhere, you can say sub li will open. This is called nested li, nested list. Here if I go, see, can you see this is called nested list? Here also nested list. This is the example of nested list. This is example of nested list, right? So how to create the nested list like this? Definitely without CSS, you can't make so much of better attractive, but at least we need to understand, oh, nested list look like this, okay? So let's come. And better you create a new file, give the file name called nestedlist.html. Okay, we'll create a next file. We'll give the file name called nestedlist.html. And hope this example is working for everyone. So we will be working on next file, that is called nestedlist.html. Nestedlist.html. Nested list. It's a start like this again. HTML will be as usual. Go inside, follow the body tag. In this body tag, I'll keep one BG color. BG color used to change the background color of your page. Entire screen background will get changed to different color. So I'll keep here pink. Pink color will appear. Entire screen will be, background will be pink color. Let's write inside one H1 saying like nested list in HTML. Nested list in HTML. When you write a condition inside condition, that's called a nested condition. When you write a paragraph inside the paragraph, that is called nested paragraph. When you write again, you can say H1 inside H1, that will call it a nested H1. Nested H1. When you write a list inside the list, that call it a nested list. Okay, so in this you are following the same. Start with the OL or maybe UL you can start, and leave the by default type. By type, don't mention anything, let it be default. We will identify what is going to come the default type. Okay, now after that, you will be writing inside li call home. Next li about us. About us. Next li contact us. Next li call something, our services, and again keep a one more li, keep call as a login, and keep one more li register. So we'll keep first this many li. This becomes a main li. Okay, this all what you are writing, this all becomes a main li. Assume like in a website, there is a menus, home, about us, contact us, services, login, register, are the menus in the website. So normally when you open the website, what you will see is, you will see the menus will come in one line, right? Menus will come in one line. As I open this InfoCampus website, you can see all the menus are coming in one line, correct? So how that is happening? Because with the help of CSS, all the li is the block. Once you write and run, it will print in the new line. It will not come in the same line. Li is the block level tag. Now with the help of CSS, you will convert from block to inline. So what will happen? Once you convert from block to inline with the help of CSS, then first menu will be home and second menu will be about us. In the same line, all will appear in the same line. It will not go somewhere else. It will not come one to next in the new line. All will appear in the same line. With the help of CSS, we'll convert from block to inline. Okay. So let's go and run this file and see how it is happening. Okay. So it's come like this, nested list in HTML. So it is showing just directly as a main menus, but it is not going to come in the same line by default since you are following only HTML. With the help of CSS, we will change the nature of li and it will appear in one line. Okay. Now, after that, come down here under the our services, and our services, we will be converting into the nested li. So you give a space like this so that you will not do the mistakes. Apply the space, apply the space. Okay, apply the space. After that, we'll go here and under the li already our services is written. The main menu, main li is all main li is completed. Now we are going to follow the nested li. So what you will do, you will write here again, you will open and you will close. So you saw here, UL is the part of LI. LI is the part of UL. So this becomes a nested. Okay, UL become the part of the LI. So become a nested UL. Now inside this nested UL, you will be following the first one, software services. Next LI you will follow, call marketing services. The third LI you will follow, that is called something business solutions. Okay. Next LI you will follow employment. So when the user will open your page and he will come to the page, and then what he can see there is a home menu, about us menu, contact us menu, and then login menu, register menu, and services menu. And by default under the services, this whichever the UL you have written, it will not be visible. Okay, it will not be visible. Once the user will move the mouse on our services, then their services list will appear. How I shown you that website. But as of now, you are writing only HTML. With the help of HTML, once you run the page now, you can see everything. It will show, yes, software services is the part of our services, marketing is the part of our services, business solution is a part of our services, as well as employment is the part of our services. But it will not be functional as of now. Just it will display as a static content. With the help of CSS, we can apply the CSS on this and then we'll make it a dynamic so that once the user will move the mouse on our services, sub menu will open. Let's write it, run the page, see how it look, then again we can discuss. Okay, so then you will ask what is the use of the UL tag. Then 99% of the developer, 99% of the developer use the UL tag and LI tag to create the menus of the website. You have seen the menu submenu in the website. So every developer use the UL tag and li tag to design the menu and submenu of the website. If the submenu, then nested li. If only main menu, then only main menu, only li. There is no need of this. Uh, you can say nested li. Okay. Now let's save it and show you how that look. You can see this look like this. Business services, marketing services, business solutions. You can see this is the part of which one? Our services. So our services become the main service. Since as of now CSS is not there, so it look like this. If we apply the CSS, then it will look like this. Once we move the mouse on our services, sub menu will open like this. Okay, but in our page, all are visible directly due to no CSS, only HTML code. Okay, let's try it, write it and see how that look. Okay, this li ul what we have designed, how that look in the future once we add the CSS, I'll show you now. Let's go ahead. I'll go here in the print. Okay, in the print, suppose this is your main menu. This is your main menu. This is your main menu. This main menu, give me some, let me give some color. Become a blue color, a zone. Inside that, inside that, it will be written like this. Call home. Font size become bigger. Let me reduce to, okay, become as a home. Next will be about us. It will come in one line. Okay, as of now you can see here all are going to the next line because li is the dependent element as well as li is the block level element. It will not print in same line. So in future our requirement will be to print all the li in one line. So how that look? It will look like this: home, about us, then you will have called services. Services, then you will have maybe called contact us, and then you will have called maybe login, and then next will be maybe called register. Okay, so this will look like this. So what we'll do with the help of CSS, with the help of CSS, the block level tag is going to the next line. With the help of CSS, we'll convert into one line. Inline will convert into inline. So it will appear like this. Okay, it will appear like this. So anyone will open your page, he will see the page like this and he will see the menus like this. Now, as soon as the user will move the mouse on, as soon as the user will move the mouse on services, how that will come? That will come like this. Let me go here and color this like this. As soon as the mouse will go to the services, then here it will appear like software services. There may be marketing services. There may be employment, right? This way only you face experience on internet. When the page you will open, the menu will look like in one line. Once the mouse will touch somewhere, any menu, if they have the sub menu, it will open like this. So this becomes a what? This becomes a nested li, nested list. The main line is the list only, ULLI. But inside the ULLI itself, you added the nested list for what purpose? So when you need to design a menu and submenu, then with the help of CSS, you can manipulate it. By default, your page will be one LI will display. As soon as the user will touch by mouse, event will fire in the CSS and that CSS will display the bottom section. Example is here. Suppose when I go to this website, you can see this all are the LI itself. You can see all are coming in one line. But as soon as my mouse touch here, what happened? Event got fire in the CSS and then their nested UL become as visible. As the mouse will go outside, nested UL will be hidden again. It will be hidden. Once the mouse will touch here, LI will be visible. Once the mouse will go out, LI will be non-visible. That is here. That's here, right? So this all are going to happen with the help of CSS. Only HTML cannot do everything. There is a limitation of that, right? So you understood, hope, what is the meaning of nested UL? You can say UL tag used to create the navigation of the website. 99% of the developer use the ULLI. It may be nested or maybe without nested, but it used to create the navigation of the website. Okay. Again, I'll guide you what to do of the order list and definition list. You saw already. It used to display the content where you need to capture the comment from user. You need to capture some kind of, you can say, QA kind of question answer, one question, multiple answers, right? So with the help of CSS, this all will be better. Even in the first line of the HTML, we have written HTML have limited property value. HTML cannot do better look and feel. So HTML will give the basic structure and CSS will apply the look and feel on that. Okay. So those things, right? After that, okay. So this is now definition list we cover. Definition list we cover. Next will be nested list we cover. Definition list, nested list, order list, unordered list. Four thing you cover in this section, in this video. Now what you do is, we will be learning the next call table. Table in HTML, multiple type of structure of table with row span, call span, multiple things many design will do. And after that frame set will come. But these all are the output tag. These all are not input tag. Using that, you are going to display the output to user. After this, we will be learning the input tag. And then we will be combining input and output together. It will become complete project in HTML. Okay. So again, thanks for watching and let's see you in the next video. And in case if you are new to the channel, here on Software Academy, you can subscribe it. It's helpful for you. Okay. And bye bye. Take care.